Hello friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide, and in today's video I am showing a quick hands-on review of Dzire 828. HTC announced the Dzire 828 in India and they haven't revealed the pricing and availability of the device. The pricing will be announced prior to the launch, and on the specification front it features 5.5-inch Full HD display which has a resolution 1920 by 1080 pixels. The resolution is pretty good and you will not find any problem with the resolution. And tapping on notification toggle panel gives you access to few settings. As you can see that it runs on Android version 5.1 Lollipop with HTC Sense 7.0 UI on top of it, and it has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB inbuilt memory. When it comes to out of 16 GB, only 6.49 GB is available, other is consumed in this smartphone. And the good thing is that you can expand the memory further by using micro SD card, and by using micro SD card you can increase the memory up to 2 TB, and it also supports USB 2. At the back it has 13 megapixel camera with LED flash. There is a HTC branding, and at the top there is a 3.5mm audio jack, and at the bottom there is a micro USB slot for charging the device and data transfer. On the left hand side there is a plastic slab. By removing this you can get access to micro SD card slot and dual SIM card slot. It's a 4G LTE device, while the 4G is supported on one SIM and the 3G on other SIM. On the right hand side there is a power key, and there are no physical buttons apart from this, apart from volume key. It has dual speakers above and below the display, and it has navigation on-screen buttons, and it is powered by MediaTek processor MT6753T. It's an octa-core processor which clocks at 1.5 GHz, and after using device for a long time and running multiple applications, I haven't found any lag issues with the device as of now. And it comes preloaded with few applications. It packs 2800 mAh battery which offers a good standby time according to HTC. Looking at the device, and it's a good smartphone from HTC which offers a premium feel when you hold the device. It has round edges as you can see there, and it has a metal frame which offers a premium feel when you hold the device in your hand. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends. This is your host Vivek signing off.